Hi, I'm Inyas Kapans. I am the General Manager for Atlas Copco Compressors in India. We are present in India since the 1960s, and we have today 9 regional offices all over the country. We have 400 people in our organization, out of which 270 people in service who support our customers day in, day out, 24 hours, 7. We want to be easily reachable. That's why we have a unique one phone number. And the number is 1800-200-0030. You can address any issue on that phone number. However, the world is becoming digital. So Atlas Copco is also reachable on digital media. We have therefore 3 mailboxes that you can use. For any inquiry about our products, it is info.compressor@in.atlascopco.com. For any service request, it is ct.service@in.atlascopco.com. For any complaint you would have, it is ct.complaint@in.atlascopco.com. However, there is also another possibility to reach us, and that is you can just Google it, Compressor India. The website has been optimized, and if you search through Google, very likely our website will come up first. There is another possibility to reach us, and that is through our website www.atlascopco.in. When you go to the website and you click Contact Us, you will find the one number. You will find the 3 mailbox addresses. Further, just 2 clicks away, you will find the right contact person from Atlas Copco in your region and your town. Moreover, you can follow us on social media. You can choose to follow us on Facebook, on Twitter, on LinkedIn, and on YouTube. There is also a possibility to make inquiries in more detailed fashion. So you can call up a form which will require all the necessary information to have a detailed inquiry about our products or services, or also to give us your genuine feedback. Or even to lodge an official complaint. And then last but not least, you will find on the website the list of our dealers. Again, 2 clicks away, you can find the dealer who is active in your region or your town. And we have for the moment about 70 dealers all over India. Don't forget the one number. It is 1800-200-0030. Thank you very much.